How to fix Discord no root error on Windows. Here are some tips that would help you fix Discord no root error on Windows. 1. Reboot your computer, the router, and /or modem. 2. Disable Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority in Discord voice settings. 3. Try using Discord through your browser. 4. Other tips are, whitelist Discord in your firewall and antivirus. Plan B, remove. Using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, third-party firewall. Change your VPN protocol, do not use UDP-based VPN connection. Plan B, disconnect your device from the VPN server you are using. Or, remove your VPN using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Try a different voice region. Contact your network administrator and see if you ran into some Canadian restriction. Flush Windows DNS setting and change DNS server.